Welcome to News Tonight. It's a power-packed half an hour with stories that's been making news all through the day. I'm Evelyn Matthew, and these are our top stories. Chennai's 87-year-old Saraswati meets the man of her dreams and NDTV Hindu impact.
Meet someone this age and also get to know that she followed my career right from day one.
He said he is very glad to meet such an old lady and he wants blessing.
Hurt by allegations but unshaken, Sania and Shoaib say this mixed doubles is the one to last.
Of course, I'm upset, but we are happy that we are together.
I haven't done anything wrong.
The Tamil Nadu Assembly reopens to black clothes and walkouts. Opposition demonstrates its unhappiness in more than one way.
காவல்துறை என்பது அடியாட்களாக செயல்படுறாங்க, கூலிப்படையா செயல்படுறாங்கங்கிறது.
இந்தியாவிற்கே வழிகாட்டி என்று வாய்கிழிய பேசுகிறவர்கள் மின்வெட்டிலும் வழிகாட்டியாக இவர்கள் திகழ்ந்து கொண்டிருக்கிறார்கள்.
Thank you for not releasing Nalini, Congress tells DMK in the House of the Assembly. 6 Lankan refugees from different camps held as they try to go back to Sri Lanka. And South Asia's second largest zoo reeks of poor maintenance. In a very pleasant NDTV Hindu impact, the little master of Indian cricket, Sachin Tendulkar, met one of his most loyal fans, perhaps his oldest surviving fan, Saraswati Vaidyanathan. Although his team, Mumbai Indians, led by Sachin himself, is set to clash with the Chennai Super Kings at Chepauk only tomorrow, he met with someone really special today, and here's what the cricketing sensation had to say after that memorable moment.
To meet someone this age and also get to know that she followed my career right from day one. Well, I've always enjoyed playing in Chennai, so keep supporting us, keep supporting cricket more than anything else.
Well, as a features reporter Charitra Parthasarathi was present at that meeting between the Master Blaster and Patima Saraswati. She got us more details about that moment.
It absolutely was a day to remember for Saraswati Vaidyanathan, and I'm pretty sure for the Master Blaster himself. Sachin Tendulkar spent 5 minutes, not too long, but I'm sure and lifetime worth of memories for his oldest fan, arguably, because in those 5 minutes, she didn't really talk too much in Tamil because all she had to do was bless her favorite cricketer. And Sachin Tendulkar was really happy that he had such a loyal fan who knew pretty much every fact and figure there is to know about him. Some of those which even he might have forgotten in his such a long career. Well, it has to be NDTV Hindu, Evelyn. That's a safe guess because a few days ago we did do an exclusive story with the 87-year-old lady, and he must have seen a copy of it, and the Hindu was also instrumental in this chance meeting between the Master Blaster and Saraswati Vaidyanathan. 87 years old, she's a diplomatic lady, that's for sure, because she said her prayers are with all, though the special ones I'm pretty sure are reserved for her favorite cricketer. Now, Saraswati Vaidyanathan, for more than 20-30 years, has been preserving a souvenir of sorts. It's a little cricket bat from the 1982 team, which has all the signatures of the team members back then in 82. And today, so many years later, Sachin Tendulkar autographed the same bat for Saraswati Vaidyanathan. That's something she's going to cherish for a long, long time, and I'm sure for generations to come as well. Surprised that she had as much energy as she did, because right after meeting Sachin Tendulkar, Saraswati Vaidyanathan had quite a lot of energy left even for curious journalists like me to know what Sachin really had to say in those brief moments. But I have a feeling that tonight when she does go to sleep, she and her family will be really, really having pleasant dreams, because this is one day which she has been dreaming of forever, and I don't think nobody in her family really realized that after a few days of our interview on NDTV Hindu, she'll actually get to meet the man himself. So tonight, party or not, the mood is going to be flamboyant in their house in Tiruvandiyur.
Well, words may not express every special moment, but in a few words, here's what Saraswati had to say about that rendezvous.
Today at the Park Sheraton in Adyar, she actually got to meet the Master Blaster himself. Mrs. Vaidyanathan, what did Sachin tell you?
He said he is very glad to meet such an old lady. And she wants blessing. I already blessed her.
You blessed the Master Blaster right ahead of his cricket match tomorrow. Who are you rooting for? Mumbai Indians because Sachin is there, or his opponents?
I said, he asked, tomorrow will you see? Asked me. I said, I will till 11:30 some full. I will see.
Well, there's a loyal fan. Now, we here at NDTV Hindu brought you the story of Miss Saraswati Vaidyanathan some time back. Here's the story perhaps of that oldest surviving fan of Sachin Tendulkar and her tale.
She's 13 short of a century in the game of life. At 87, Saraswati Vaidyanathan looks poised to continue batting on as long as her favourite cricketer is at the crease. Arguably one of the oldest fans of Sachin Tendulkar, Saraswati has a phenomenal memory. She remembers every fact and figure there is to know about the Master Blaster. How many runs has Sachin scored in this season of IPL till now?
340.
How many runs has Sachin scored in test matches till now?
13,447 test match.
Saraswati watches cricket in every avatar, Test, One Day and 2020. And like a doting parent, has been observing Sachin's meteoric rise from when he started wielding the bat at 16. Skeptical about internet statistics, Saraswati has her own way of keeping track of Sachin's career. She writes down his scores on tiny scraps of paper.
My mother has been following cricket for the last more than 50 years, and her greatest wish is to meet Sachin in person.
She might be Sachin Tendulkar's oldest fan, but Saraswati Vaidyanathan's phenomenal memory is as sharp as the knitting needles she never touches. Why? Because there's no greater love in her life than Sachin Tendulkar, and she'd rather watch him play a game of IPL than knit a pair of socks. In Chennai with camera person Prabhu, this is Charitra Parthasarathi for NDTV Hindu.